This is the Yarrashop 12-inch selfie ring light. This ring light can be used for video recording and photography. It comes in a pretty big box, so let's see what it brings. So the first thing we see when we open the box is a tripod. The tripod comes in a protective cover so you can carry it in a comfortable way. The tripod itself has multiple height options and that you can adjust to whatever it is more comfortable for you. Next, we have the actual ring light. You can turn it on by simply connecting the USB cable to any outlet of your choice. The actual light has 3 different color temperatures: white, natural, and warm. The box also brings a manual with everything that you need to know about the light and how to set everything up, which you should definitely check out if you still have any questions by the end of this video. This is a remote controller that is both for Android and iOS devices. This is a very comfortable feature because it uses Bluetooth to connect to your device and you can start recording remotely by just pressing the record button on the remote. The light comes with multiple options of mounts. It brings one flexible phone mount that you can attach to the top of the tripod, and it also brings a rigid mount that you can put in the lower part of the tripod so you can attach 2 phones at the same time, so this way you have 2 video angles. And this last one is to attach the camera. So there you have it. You can get everything in this video with the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.